Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 8th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the Kiwi dollar, the daily time frame definitely did turn down. We had a pretty decent little engulfing move to the downside on the daily. So the question is the move down on the daily just a pullback within an uptrend from the weekly and the monthly? Definitely going to be the question. For now, I am looking for shorts and I am recommending shorts because of the daily turning down. Hopefully, we can learn and earn at the same time whether this is going to be like an impulsive move, making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, potentially more lower highs, and potentially more moves to the downside. So I am definitely recommending shorts. I would like to see a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci level, a nice engulfing move to the downside for my sorting opportunity. So definitely keep an eye on your Fib levels. Definitely keep an eye on price action. We potentially do have a turn on the daily, so we definitely do want to keep an eye out for one, two, three-way pullbacks, Fibonacci bounces to go short for the continuation of this downtrend potentially. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.